Okay, this is the tutorial for budget cuts. Budget cuts is based off of Chase's cut, which looks like that. I'm really bad at it. I'm sorry, Chase. I'm doing it not justice at all. But he does it very well, and it looks something like that. I'm really not doing it well. Anyway, Chase showed me this about 2 years ago or something like that, and I started doing it incorrectly, which is like this. So Chase does it by the thumb coming all the way to the bottom, and I did it wrong and came up with something different. So I basically left it at the thumb, and then the rest of the pack comes up. And once I started doing that, I realized, oh, you can actually keep doing this, and it becomes a running cut. Pretty dope. So yeah, this is basically how you do it. It's a very complicated move that takes a long time to feel it out and also to make it look good, even once you have the mechanics. This took a really long time to get looking good. So just be prepared for that as you go into learning this. So you're gonna start off by holding the deck in mechanics grip, elevated a little bit, and I beveled the deck just slightly with my thumb so that they're all like that. And then I put the side of my thumb right along that beveled edge, just like this. So right on the side of my thumb. And my knuckle right here is just around the bottom of the deck, maybe like a little bit above. And what I'm gonna do is basically pinch with my middle finger, sorry, my pinky finger. I'm gonna pinch a packet off the bottom of the deck. Also, my middle finger is over here on the bottom of that bottom packet, just at the corner. God, that hurts. Okay, so thumb is on the side. Pinky is gonna pull off that bottom packet. Now, that middle finger that's on the bottom card of that bottom packet is going to push it along the edge of this packet here. Now, once you come to here, this is probably the most important part, because you need to have this packet not like this, but like that, with just a little tiny chunk of your thumb in between these two packets. If you don't have that little tiny thumb chunk, it won't work, unfortunately. So again, thumb at the side, middle finger on the bottom, pinky pulls off a little bit, and then the middle finger is going to push both against the side of here and against the pinky so that this glides across the bottom. And once you get to here, you want to make sure there's a thumb chunk right there. Beautiful thumb chunk. The reason you want that thumb chunk is because you have to roll your thumb down, and in doing so, that thumb chunk lets off some cards. And if there's a thumb chunk, it can let off some more cards. And when you don't have that thumb chunk there, this will happen. I can't drop the cards. So I need that little chunk of thumb there for me to basically go over this packet to drop another packet off of the top packet. Did that make sense? I hope so. So once again, side of the thumb, like, oh God, my arm, it hurts. Okay, here, break off, middle finger's gonna push this back, and I'm already like, before I've even cleared it, I'm getting some room here, so that once I get to here, this packet goes in the crotch of the thumb, and there's a little thumb chunk there. And your ring finger also helps to just keep this packet straight, and also helps to push it back, or less push it back and more just like get it into the right position on your thumb. It just gives you a little bit more control. So once you're here, you're gonna roll that thumb down letting off some more cards. Push it back, get that thumb chunk again. Drop some more cards. Oh, I know. I hope you're in the same position as me and not just like totally killing it. So drop some cards, drop some cards, and drop some cards. So one more time. Thumb chunk. Thumb rolls down, drops off some cards, drops off cards, and then you finish just the same way by pushing back with your middle finger. So one more time. Boom. Budget cuts.